Here is a great opportunity to get an affordable vacation condo, a first-time buyer condo, or even an investment property. Very well maintained 2-halves first-floor condo in a small development offering a new air conditioner, new tile and carpet, freshly painted and new stainless steel appliance package. Also offers laundry and unit, screened lanai overlooking the community pool. Carib Martinique offers a newer roof, affordable HOA dues, $200 per mo, and close to City Hall, Cape Coral Hospital, and easy access to many shopping areas, schools and businesses.